little artist, I'm Mariana Olson, and today we're drawing a Pokeball folding surprise. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. We're gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it, you're gonna flip it, and we're gonna start drawing right here. Hello little artists, today we're drawing a Pokeball folding surprise. I hope you like this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons like this one. We're gonna start in the outside of the paper. The first thing we're gonna do here in the middle is the little circle that goes in the center of the Pokeball. So I'm just gonna do a half a circle. And then I'm gonna rotate the paper because for me that's easy to trace it this way. And I'm going to trace another one in the other side. Now we're gonna rotate the paper and we're gonna mark where the heart shape is gonna start. Here in the center, and we're gonna go a little bit up. I'm gonna leave about a finger space and I'm gonna put a dot here. So I'm gonna start from the dot, going up, close to the end of the paper, and I'm gonna connect it here with the fold. And let's do the same on the other side. Like that. And then I'm gonna try to follow this mark and I'm gonna go down, and you can put another dot down here. So now I'm leaving about finger space or two of your fingers here from the end of the paper to the dot. And now I can cross the fold. And when you get close to the bottom, we're gonna kind of like round the heart shape. This is because it's a Pokeball. We don't wanna do it pointy. We wanna do it a little round on the bottom. So I'm gonna come in the other side. Like that, okay? Now let's do the inside of the Pokeball. So I'm gonna leave a space here after the fold, and I'm gonna start tracing a line that goes to the right. And then once that I get closer to the circle, we're gonna go over, and then I trace another line. Okay, let's repeat that. Down here, I wanna start with a line. And if you want, you can rotate your paper too, that's okay. I'm just gonna try to do it like this way and connect here with a line. That's it for the outside part. Now let's open the paper. And the first thing I'm gonna do is cross the top lines here. We're just gonna cross the fold, and these lines are very short, enough for me to join from side to side. So I'm trying to follow the fold line. You can use a ruler if you want to, because this one is a long line. Now on the bottom, I want to cross a little bit more, and these lines are a bit diagonal, okay? So I'm just gonna follow this line, and I want to close here with a line as well from side to side. There. Now let's continue with the character. We're gonna start with the top of the head. So I'm gonna leave a space after this line, and I wanna trace a curve. It's kind of like in the middle of this fold part, and it's gonna be a curved line like this, okay? Next, I wanna leave a little bit of a space here, and then I wanna trace a line that connects with the fold, passes the fold, and curves in. Let's do that again. We leave a space, we're doing a curved line that goes down, cross the fold, and comes in, okay? Now here, we're gonna trace this line in a little bit, just a short line in, and I wanna stop. I wanna leave it open because he has his hands touching his face. So I'm gonna start doing here 1, 2, and 3 triangles. And let's do the same on the other side. We're gonna do 1, 2, and 3. Okay? Now we can extend the lines that are on the outside a little bit down. Like that. And once you have your hands like this, we're going to pass this line. We're gonna connect these lines to the hands. Now for the center, I wanna do a curved line that is a little pointy down. So I'm gonna imagine this go here down and goes back up. See, it's a bit pointy on the bottom. Now let's trace the arms, and I'm just gonna do kind of like U shape, little U shapes here for the arms. like that. And from this side of the arm, we're gonna do 1 and 2 lines for the body. Now let's continue up here with the ears. I'm gonna start making a curve, makes a point and comes back down. Now on this side, curve, comes back down. Okay. Now this character has big eyes, and I'm gonna start with the bottom, and here on top of the hands, I'm gonna make a curve. Now I'm gonna do the same on the other side. I'm gonna do a curve. Okay, that's the base of the eye and it's underneath the fold. Now we're gonna do a line that is gonna be a bit diagonal and curve to the left. So I'm gonna start from this corner, I'm gonna cross the fold part, and when I get up here close to the ear, I want to curve down. Okay, let's try to do that here. Curve now to the right. Okay, and now curve down. And this one comes down really close to the fold part. Now let's trace the inside of the eye by doing a curve. And inside we're gonna do a half a circle. Let's do the same on the other side. A curve and a half a circle. Now to finish my character, I'm just gonna trace the tail. I'm gonna start here on the side of the body. I'm going around and connect with the head. And then from the Pokeball, I'm gonna follow the same shape. Now we're gonna imagine that this line cross in behind, comes out here of the face, goes up, and we're gonna get really close to the Pokeball, round and connect with the ear. Now this line, we imagine it passes behind the ear and it's gonna make a curve that connects with the face. And there, that's it. We finished this character that its name is Mew. Let's check how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how the Pokeball looks in the outside. Remember, there is different types of colors of Pokeballs. You can do your own design here. So now let's check how it looks in the inside. And here is my character Mew. He has these blue, bright, big eyes, and I love the contrast with the pink colors. I also add here a couple hearts, but you can change this if you want to put a message or something different. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time.